Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how you can install Node-RED in Orange Pi 4a board. Okay, so once you install the Node-RED in the Orange Pi 4a board, you can use your Orange Pi 4a board as an IoT hub or IoT gateway to control the industrial equipments or to sense the data from industry, to convert one protocol data to another protocol, and you can also talk with multiple protocols like Modbus, OPC-DA, OPC-UA, MQTT, and BACnet. Okay, now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to control the Orange Pi GPIO with Node-RED using Node-RED Contrib OPI GPIO node. Okay, so here on the camera you can see here is our Orange Pi 4a board, and I have connected this LED module with the GPIO of Orange Pi 4a board. Now the red wire is the positive one, the blue wire is the negative one, and this yellow wire is the signal one. So here I have provided positive and negative, and based on the signal the LED will turn on or turn off. Okay, so we have to provide the signal to this board from our Orange Pi board, and according to that this LED will glow. Now we want to control this, or we want to perform this operation using Node-RED. Then how we can do that? Okay, so here I am connected with the Orange Pi 4a board, okay, via SSH, and Node-RED is already running. Now here I have access to the Node-RED running inside the Orange Pi board. Now, as I have mentioned here, we are going to use this node to control the GPIO. So you can copy these things. Okay, you can go to the Node-RED, you can click on this hamburger menu, and you can go to the manage palette. You can navigate to the install section, and here you can paste that, and here you can see we have the node available which you can install. Okay, so we have successfully installed this Node-RED Contrib OPI GPIO node. Now you can close it, and once you install that, you have this two node available here in the filter node section, the output and the input. If you want to control the GPIO, okay, if you want to send any signal, then you can use this output pin node. If you want to sense any signal, okay, suppose if you have sensor connected and if you want to sense those signal, then you can use this input pin. We want to control the LED, okay, so we want to send the signal outside of this board, so we have to use output pin. Okay, we want to turn the LED on or off, so that's why we have took the two inject node. We'll connect the inject node with this output pin node. Okay, and we will change it to boolean true to turn on the LED and false to turn off the LED. Okay, message.payload false. Now the main question, how do we have to configure this output pin node? Okay, so which pin the signal cable is connected, okay, and what is the pin number, what is the GPIO number, and how we can use that pin number in the output pin node. Okay, so you can visit the Orange Pi wiki, okay, and here you can see if you run this command GPIO read all in the Orange Pi 4a board, then you will have this details. Okay, now the first pin is 3.3 volt, second pin is the 5 volt, okay, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So I have connected the LED on the seventh physical pin, which is GPIO number 36. Okay, for wiring pi it's GPIO number 2. Okay, so we have to use this 36 to control the LED connected with the pin, okay, seventh pin. So here you can look closely. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so I have connected the yellow cable on the seventh pin. Okay, so first 3 row is total 6 pin, and the next row is the seventh pin. Okay, so we have connected our LED on this pin GPIO number 36 and physical pin number 7. So that's why in this output pin node you have to use 36. So you can double click on the output pin node. In the pi type you can select other, and here in the output pin you can select 36. So once you put 36, it will change the name to PB4, and that is fine. You can press on done and then you can deploy it. Okay, now let's see the output. Okay, now I can inject the true, and here you can see the LED is on. I can inject the false, and here you can see the LED is off. Okay, so this is how you can use Node-RED to control the GPIO of your Orange Pi 4A board. Okay, again you can turn it on, again you can turn it off. Even you can write some function to continuously blink it, okay, or you can write some function to sense some data and then after make it turn on. Okay, so that is also possible with the Node-RED. You can use the function node, okay, which is available here. Okay, function node. Also you can use this input pin node to sense some sensor data and then turn on some motor, turn on some fan, or turn on the buzzer. Okay, so that is also possible. So I hope this thing is clear that using the Node-RED you can control the GPIO of your Orange Pi 4A board, and that's how you can use this board in the industry as well to control any industrial equipments or your IoT equipments. Okay, so I hope this is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt in the controlling Orange Pi GPIO with Node-RED, then you can ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also you can send me a mail. Also you can comment on this video and ping me on LinkedIn. Now in the next video we are going to control the Orange Pi 4A GPIO with Python using Wiring Pi library. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.